Hello guys, and welcome to another beautiful video. My name is our Gman Isioto, and I teach you how to earn. I teach you how to do stuffs online. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a product page on Selar. Now, you might be wondering, what is Selar? Selar is a platform where you can sell your digital product and also physical product. Okay, so you can actually set up a page on Selar for any product that you sell, but mostly it is for digital products. For instance, if you have a book to sell, if you have pictures you want to sell, if you have sketches, maybe you're an artist, you want to sell graphic works, and you want to do anything that has to do with a digital product. Okay, you can sell your music, you can sell videos, okay, you can sell audio files, you can sell anything that is digital. Okay, so if you want to sell your digital product online, Selar is a very good platform that helps you to do that. Now, before I continue, if you haven't subscribed to my video and you're watching this for the first time, please support me by subscribing to this video. Okay, so, and when you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that when I make more videos you can be informed. Now, for you to be able to gain access into Selar, you need to sign up. Okay, you need to sign up into the space so that you can be able to be able to make your product page design. Okay, so for you to do that, for you to be able to sign up, you use the link that is on your screen. This link that is on your screen, okay, you just copy it to your browser, copy it and paste it on your browser, okay, in the search area of your browser, and you click enter, and it's going to take you to a place where you'll be able to sign up. Okay, you have to fill in your details correctly so that you can gain access. Okay, so quickly, since we've seen this right now, so I will take you to my screen so that you can see how I create a product page for our digital products. Okay, so if you have questions, if you have something you want to say, if maybe you want to learn how to create digital products, this I will be putting a link in the description so that you can use that to get to the video. Okay, so quickly, let me take you into my screen and teach you how it's done. Okay guys, welcome back to our tutorial. So if you once you sign up into your page, once you sign up into your Selar account, if you've done the signing up process very well, this is what you're going to see when you log into your dashboard. Now this is my dashboard, so I'm going to be showing you how you can create your product page. Okay, so if you want to create a product page, what we are going to do is very simple. We just come to this part that says add product. Okay, so I will add product. Yeah, so because we want to sell a digital product, we are going to choose digital product. If you want to sell a physical product, maybe like bags, like shoes or whatever, you go for physical products. But since we are doing digital products, we just choose the digital product button. Okay, so the next thing you hit is next. Okay, all right, this is the part where we have to give names and label our product and give the details for our product. Okay, so quickly, here that says image, we are going to drag and drop our image. All right, so we select one of the images from our gallery. Okay, so for me, I'm picking I just want to pick one image. Okay, I just want to pick one image that, okay, let me just quickly pick this one. And just now, remember, this is an example. Okay, this is an example. We are just doing sample, so I'm just picking any image to work with. Okay, so I'm picking this one and I say done. All right, so for you that is creating a digital product, the image you should be using should be maybe your cover, your book cover, or maybe the cover art for your video, or maybe just the design of your digital product. Okay, so the next thing you are going to put now is the name of the product. For me, I want to say I just give a title. All right, so let's say we're saying how to make money on your smartphone. Okay, all right, so okay, how to make money on your smartphone. All right, so how much do we put for that? So you're going to input the price for your digital content, okay, for your ebooks. For me, let's just say 5,000. Okay, so you're going to fix whatever price you want to sell your product. Now here, this point says, it says show strike out original price. Now, for instance, if you are selling your product for 5,000, you want to put a strike out original price at 7,000 also, so that when they see on your sales page, okay, when they see on your product page, the person who is about to buy sees it like you cancelled the 7,000 and you're now selling it for 5,000. This is a strategy that is used in marketing to actually pull people into, to convince them to buy the product for cheap. In their minds, they are thinking that the product is now cheaper, okay, when you strike off the 7,000. Okay, so for me, I'm going to put 7,000. If you don't want it to be that way, you can remove this part, okay, but for me, I'm going to put it. Okay, so this is where you're going to title, put a description to your digital content. So in this book you will learn how to make money from your smartphone. Okay, let's say using your smartphone. Okay, so I'm just leaving the description very short, but for you have to take your time to give all the necessary details, all the powerful details that can make your buyer to want to buy your product. Now remember, we're not talking about the features. We have to talk about the benefits of what they will get when they are buying your book. So this is an opportunity for you to sell yourself. Okay, so don't sell yourself short. Now for this part, if your product involves maybe additional services, additional stuff, you just click this part, then you add variants. Okay, you add all the additional stuff one by one. But for us, we don't have additional stuffs. We don't have additional options for our product, so we remove that. Okay, so the next thing to do, if you want them to pre-order, you click this button. Okay, if you want them to pre-order, then you insert the date when you're going to release your product. Okay, for us, we're not doing that, so we remove that. And the next thing we do is to give the buyer access to the file. Okay, you have to impute the file so that they can download it. So this is where I'm going to drag and drop. Okay, so I'll click it so that I can select my product from my Google Drive. Now, if you have done your product, if you have written your book, if you have done your videos, if you've done your audio files, your music, it's expected that you should upload it to your Google Drive. Okay, if you don't know how to upload to your Google Drive, I made a video of an ebook. I'm going to put it in the description below, so you look for that video that talks about how to make an ebook for 10 minutes. Okay, so I describe how you can upload. I showed you how you can upload your digital contents to your Google Drive. Okay, so quickly, I'm uploading this right now to this platform. Okay, so I'll go to documents. All right, so I'll click, let's say our document that we created was fastest way to make money. Okay, so I'll click that. All right, fastest way to make money. Okay, let's just change the title so somebody doesn't get confused. fastest way to make money on your smartphone. Okay, it's rhyming now. All right, so the next thing you're going to do, we've uploaded the content. All right, so next thing we're going to do is to click on this part that says automatically redirect. Okay, automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after purchase. Now what this means is when your buyer has paid on your page, when they have paid on your page, where do you want to direct them to? You have to direct them to where they are going to download. Okay, so by you clicking this, it means that you are going to impute the link of the content where you put it on your drive. Okay, remember I told you in the former video that when you upload your content to your drive, you have to create a link that is shareable. Okay, so for us, this is our link, so you impute that link. So once they make payment, it will direct them to where this file is, where the digital content is, so that they can download. Okay, if you're following this, please make sure that you subscribe to this video and hit the notification bell, so that when I make more videos, you're going to see and you'll be informed. Okay, so if you've done all this correctly, the next thing you're going to do is to create the product. You just hit create product and your product page is already set. Okay, so this is our product page, is already set. Okay, so what we're going to do to be sure that our page is live, we're going to copy this link. Okay, we copy this link, we copy it, and we go to another new and just paste it ahead, paste it on top here. Okay, so we'll see what our product page looks like. So let me just test it and see. Fantastic, this is our product page. Okay, if your ebook, you did the mock-up for your ebook, it's going to show here. So this is your product page. You can see fastest way to make money on your smartphone. Okay, you can see the details, you can see the 5,000 we put there, and you can see that it crossed the 7,000. Okay, so this is our new page. Now we have to test and see if it will work, if they want to pay. So let's click the buy now. All right, you can see that it has already imputed our page. Okay, so if we want to buy 2, we click on 2. You can see it's 10,000 below. Okay, if you want to buy 3, it's what, 15,000. Okay, so we're just buying 1. We're just buying 1. Let me go back to that again. You buy now, then they click on checkout. Once they click on checkout, they'll be asked to impute their names and their email address. Okay, so that helps you to know once they make payment, you receive an alert on your email telling you that somebody has made an order. So once they pay now, it will take them to a page where they have to input their details, their bank details. Okay, their bank details. So you can see card number, you can see valid till, you can see CVV. So once they input this one and they say pay, it will collect money from their account, because they're using their ATM. It will collect money from their account and send it to your bank account. So guys, this is how you can set up your payment page for your digital product on Selar. This is how you can make money without you having a CV, without you going anywhere, without you spending a lot. In fact, this doesn't cost you a dime. Okay, this doesn't cost you a dime. You don't need to have a website to sell your digital product. This is how you can make money online. Guys, if you love this video, if you've gotten value from this video, I want you to comment, like, share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe. And when you subscribe, please hit the notification bell, so that when I make more videos, you can be